Ah, whack for the toodle-oodle, laddie, whack from the toodle-oodle-lay. Whack for the toodle-oodle, laddie, whack from the toodle-oodle-lay. As I went out to Dublin city at the hour of 12 at night, who should I see but a Spanish lady washing her feet by candlelight. First she washed them, then she dried them over a fire of angry coal. In all my life I ne'er did see a maid so sweet about the soul. Whack for the toodle-oodle, laddie, whack for the toodle-oodle-lay. Whack for the toodle-oodle, laddie, whack for the toodle-oodle-lay. I stopped to look, but the watchman passed. He said, young fella, now the night is late. Along with you home, or I will rustle you straight right through the Brightwell gate. I threw a kiss to the Spanish lady, hot as a fire of angry coal. In all my life I ne'er did see a maid so sweet about the soul. Whack for the toodle-oodle, laddie, whack for the toodle-oodle-lay. Whack for the toodle-oodle, laddie, whack for the toodle-oodle-lay. I've wandered north and I've wandered south, through Stony Batter and Patrick's Close, up and around by the Gloucester Diamond and back by Napper Tandy's Lough. Old age has laid her arms on me, cold as a fire of ashy coal. But where, oh, where is the lovely